Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And today's the day that I'm doing the Sephora haul. The Sephora sale is coming up here. It starts on November 5th for Rouge, November 9th for VIP, and then Insider, I'm not sure, I think it's the 10th, but I'm not sure. And so I thought I'd go over what I'm wearing today and try not to knock everything over and let you know what my picks are. So as far as what I have on today, I have the Pretty Fresh by Colourpop. I have the Beauty Pie Corrector on, and that's what the corrector looks like. Let's see. I have the Huda. This is their gold palette. This one isn't available at Sephora, but most of the Huda palettes are. Let's see what else. The Skin Lights. Here we go. And then everything else we'll get to in just a second. So as far as what I've gotten and what I can personally recommend to you, the Rare Beauty, this is the, these are the Just Pinched, and it's the set, the mini blushes that they have. I can love these, just love these. I've been using them a lot. And then another thing that I got was the Laneige. Went ahead and got the packet of 5 of these little lip duos. I've given them away, so I don't have the packet anymore. Gave one to Mom and a couple of other people, so don't. But again, definitely recommend these. And I think the set of 5 was like $18, and they're really, really good. So good value there. The Anastasia brow kits, I have mine in taupe. Any of their brow kits are great. Love them. And let's see, skincare. What I did, I got the Farmacy, I think it was the Farmer's Market kit. It actually has 4 different products in there for you to try. They're deluxe sizes. This is the actual, hold on. It's the actual cleansing balm. This one is going to be the moisturizer, and again, they're really nice sized products. Let's see what else came in that kit. The Very Cherry Bright, and this is a vitamin C serum. And then the honey, it's a honey potion. And this thing is amazingly wonderful. It's very thick, it's very moisturizing, but it tastes like honey. It really tastes like honey straight out. And I think there's a lot of the honey wax in here, and it's very moisturizing. It's like a once a week treatment. So these are the 4 products that you go ahead and get in that kit. And like I said, I definitely recommend them, especially if you haven't tried Farmacy and you want to try it out for the first time. Let's see, what else do I have here? I have the Hourglass Palette, and again, that's what it looks like. It's an amazing palette. I got the fair one. This year it's definitely fair. I remember last year it was more geared toward medium skin tones. There is another one like this that's darker, and then there's let's see, they brought out a third of just the 3 powders as well. And as far as this goes, I love the Infinity powder. I have it on right now. I don't find that it's overly shimmery. I have this blush on and this bronzer on. So I would definitely go ahead and recommend, let's see, I would definitely go ahead and recommend this one. It's an amazing palette, and they give you a ton, and so I think that it will last at least a year, if not more. And so that's what I have there. As far as the rest of my face, I got the NYX On the Rise primer, and it's a black primer that actually has castor oil in it. I got it over at Ulta, and Definitely think it's worth it. And then I have on the Bambi lashes as well. The other product that I have on is actually the Too Faced Melted in Paris. This is their holiday kit for the melted mattes. I got them last year and I absolutely loved them. So this year, I know that Sephora has some Too Faced, but I have a feeling this kit is only at Ulta. But this is what they look like. And again, a really good kit that you might want to pick up on the holidays or during the holidays. And I have one other kit to show you here. And this is the kit of the 4 Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks here. And you get their most famous ones. So you get the Pillow Talk Medium, Red Carpet Red, and Walk of No Shame. So here they are, and they are really good products. The packaging is amazing. It's like amazingly wonderful packaging is how I can put that. So if you've been wanting to try these and the price of one is just like too much, definitely go for the mini set, and you can get all 4. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, I have on some of the Revlon skin lights here. And I think that's about all of my recommendations, but I've tried all of them. I think they're amazingly wonderful, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone. And have a fun time shopping, okay? See you later. Bye.